Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Scott from BetterLifeHacks.com. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the kind of things that are not worth your time and effort. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. And make sure you give me a thumb up. If you enjoyed the video, you can visit the resources section below, and get the free report, guide we recommend, and subscribe to stay updated. Okay. Let's go ahead and get started. This is very important, and I will say it again and again. Time is one of the most valuable things we have. It's valuable because it's a scarce resource, and thus, we must be incredibly strategic with how we use it. Time is our most precious commodity. It is the space in which we create our lives. If you don't have the time and space to take care of yourself and create things that are meaningful to you, what is the use? If you want more joy in your life, but you spend your days obsessing over everything you don't want, it's obvious why you're not feeling joyful. This point is, we can't create more time. The key is in how you choose to use these hours. Below are 10 things that are no longer deserve your precious time and energy. Number 1. People you can't trust. Get them out of your life. Now. You don't have time to act like you like them, or worry about if they're going to spill your secret. Having a friend you can't trust is just not worth the effort. You're always going to have to work harder in the relationship, and that isn't fair. It may be hard, I'm not going to lie, but sometimes you need to let people go, so people that are worth your effort can come into your life. Number 2. Guys who treat you poorly. What constitutes treating you wrong? The list could go on and on. If he cheats, is rude, never takes you out, is mean to you when his friends are around, pressures you in any way, or thinks he's too good for you and you couldn't do better, then drop him. He's taking up valuable time you have to experience the world, and he's making you feel insecure and sad instead. Not worth it. Number 3. Jobs that makes you miserable. Some people keep jobs that make them miserable, because they need the money. Please understand, the decision to now find better alternatives is a choice you make. Maybe you tried once and it didn't work out. Maybe people are telling you, you won't be able to be more than you are. Maybe you're even doubting yourself and your worth. But you have to try. You're already miserable here, might as well give it a shot. Right? Number 4. Overthinking. We're big fans of thinking. We strongly encourage everyone to think about their past, present and plan for the future. Here's where things stop being valuable. Where you were being paralyzed, or stressed out by things outside of your control. Worry will never change the outcome. Most people get so caught up in the what-if parts of life, that they never make any progress. If this is one of your issues, you need to understand, that you only get a handful of opportunities in your life, you're probably not gonna live forever, and you'll never find yourself in the position you are today. When opportunities present themselves, don't overthink it, be decisive and take action, one way or the other. Number 5. Holding grudges. Know what else is not worth it? Ruining relationships with people you care about, over stupid things that don't really matter. It's your pride and ego that's stopping you from admitting you were wrong, and it's the same pride and ego that doesn't allow you to forgive someone who wronged you. We've seen family relationships ruined. People not talking to one another over the meaningless of things. If you were to look at the big picture, do not allow your emotions to manipulate your fate by clouding your judgment. Sometimes it's better to be at peace with yourself than be right. Number 6. Fear of change. Change is a part of life, it's actually one of the most beautiful parts of living. We get to experience change happen around us. Social change is happening, we are more open and connected than ever. We're having international dialogues like never before. The comment section of any of our videos is proof of that. People from all corners of the world sharing their own take on whatever we're discussing at that time. Yet with all that, some people fear change. Fear the fact that they have to change in order to accommodate the new world. They're scared of the unknown. But we don't think that fear is worth it. These days, you're not fearing for your life, but you should fear of being stuck to the past ways. Number 7. Reading a bad book. When the beginning of a book is bad, it usually doesn't get that much better. If you're 100 pages into a 500-page book, and you still don't like it, you probably aren't ever going to like it. Stop telling yourself it just has a slow start, and put it down already. Number 8. Trying to fit in. Need to be making the most of your time on this earth, and you need to be doing that as yourself. Don't try to be like everyone else. Stand out and be yourself. Because there's only one you, and you shouldn't hide that person from the rest of the world. Enjoy life as yourself. Number 9. Hard drugs and excessive alcohol. Why would you go down that road, when nobody who's been on it has come out ahead? It's one of those few cases in life, where you already know, that it's gonna end bad for you, and those around you. Somebody go to substances in the hopes of escaping the world, only to find out that it's not everybody else they have to deal with, it's themselves. At some point in their lives, they made bad judgment call one after another, chose the worst path, and now they're panicking. You never want to be in a situation where you cannot control what happens to you. You are the captain of your own ship, act accordingly. Number 10. Excessive cleaning. Not everything has to be perfectly in its place all the time. If something isn't fun and isn't productive, it's not worth your time. Nobody's coming to my room anytime soon, so I'm not cleaning until I know someone's going to see it. Please don't let your room get disgusting, though. Number 11. Stressing about a test. I know everyone gets the argument from their parents, that if you just stop complaining, you would be done with the task already. Well, it's true. If you spend 90% of your time stressing, freaking out, and saying you don't know anything, then you probably don't. Why not devote 100% of the time you have to studying, instead of the mere 10% that results from stress overload? Okay, that's it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Above are 11 kind of things that are not worth your time and effort. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, if you found this video even a little bit useful. Your support means a lot, I really appreciate it. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, I'll talk to you soon.